Let me try. Okay, put this around your neck.
Yes.
It's in your pocket. Okay, it's recorded already. Alrighty.
Out of 200, really? Okay. All right.
Here they go.
Well, something's gonna happen.
That was a good one.
Ah! Oh my goodness. You ever get burned, Bill?
Burn?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Propane burn from like when I'm refueling or something. Sometimes you get, you know, it's cold.
Oh.
No, I try to stay away from that burner. Try to aim it kind of the opposite direction with myself and the people are.
Good. You having fun, girl?
Yeah.
Now where's our shadow? Over there? Still? So we're not going to see it? Okay. Whew. So bright. You can't see Seattle in this video, but I can see it with my eyes. My eyeballs.
It's really hard to do these. It's so foamy.
Look at them go. Nothing to stop them from going.